It's 8 a.m., guys, and Bloomberg News is on my TV. So I don't get up super early to check the markets. I have no interest in that. I normally start to chart up around 8:30. It gives me an hour before the 9:30 opening. Guys, I'm so looking forward to next week. I am going to be doing a vlog showing my daily process of tackling US30 and NAS100. So, guys, look forward to that. But let's get back to this 9K day and how it played out. So, guys, it's 8:30 and I start charting up. I mark out Asia high, I mark out Asia low. I have my major supply zone, I have my major demand zone, I have my point of interest, my order blocks. I see that we took out Asia high, and I'm looking for that midnight New York opening candle. That's 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York, right? And I see that we have been trading above it. Guys, this is an indication that the market may want to go down, being as though we have been trading above it. I also mark that 8:30 candle, and it's also giving me more of a confirmation. So I'm saying to myself, guys, if the market comes up back up to this order block, right, that I have above that M, then I'm willing to take this market down to my major order block, right, on the daily, my daily time frame order block. That's how far I want to take this market down. So, guys, I'm waiting for 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. gets here, guys. The market comes up perfectly into that order block, and I immediately take the market down with no hesitation, guys. As you can see, I did stack on those positions because what am I waiting for? You trust yourself or you don't. So, guys, perfectly by the afternoon, we go into that demand zone, that order block that I have on the daily time frame. We come into it perfectly. Guys, I don't need to try to catch the biggest fish in the ocean. You see my lot sizes, they are not big, they are not huge, guys. And I cash out because what am I waiting for? NAS100, US cash, the same exact move on my smaller account. As you can see, guys, it played out wonderfully. So we have that US30, we have a US100, NAS100, and guys, yeah, it was a wonderful day. Seriously, seriously, guys. And I like to say this is like ping pong, right? OB to OB. And that's exactly what happened. This is a NAS100 chart. And as you can see, guys, I took it from one point of interest directly to another. These trades will not play out every day. You will not see this every day. You will not. But when you do, guys, take full advantage of it. This was my 9K day, guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys during my vlog.